Miss Scout, you think you could tell us what happened?
Yeah, man, it was this guy. Yeah, I did the thing, man. You know, when man saying he got that man, and I lost my shoes.
Jim found me then. Then Mr. Yule, I reckon, grabbed him again.
Sheena Tino.
And Jim hollered. Then somebody grabbed me. Mr. Yule, I guess. Somebody... Oh! And then I heard someone panting and coughing. Then I saw someone carrying Jim.
Well, who was it?
Why, there he is, Mr. Tate. He can tell you his name.
He's moved.
Then I spin. Then I... Hey, Boo.
Miss Jean Louise, Mr. Arthur Radley.
I believe he already knows you.
Hi everyone, it's Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews.